Hi, good morning, guys. It's another beautiful morning. It's a weekend. My people are doing some laundering. They're washing. Say hi. Fuanaji, our bread. It's my girl. She's very shy. Say hi.
Hi.
They're washing. So today we had a plan of fencing the surrounding where the chickens are. I just want to show you what is taking place today. Yeah, you can see what is taking place. Just decided to fence this place, the surrounding, just to ensure my birds are safe. And again, I just want to let them out so that they run around the compound. It's very early in the morning. You can see them. Hi guys, how are you? You can see them. That's 6 weeks now. I received them at 3 weeks. Guys, within 3 weeks, I've been having them for 3 weeks now. They have taken like 150 kg of feed. That's a lot. They take like one bag of 50 kg weekly. So you can see the compound is very big. It's from this end to this end. This chicken link or the wire mesh or the chain link, wherever, or what you call them, this is the wire which we've used, so they can't move outside the compound. We just want to ensure their safety and security. Hi guys. Hi Baba. Hi. I'm coming. Oh, he's crying. You're just seeing. And this is the main guy buying this work. You can see he's very busy. Ford, Mosdi, say hi to my people.
Hi.
Yeah, he's really helping me. He has done a lot. You can see he's still busy. And in this end, we have the chicken link.
Chicken wire.
Chicken wire, yeah. Thank you for the correction. This chicken wire. So they can't move out. Even 1 day old cannot move out. Yeah. So the compound is safe. It's very safe. I've been having this plan for a while now, but I thank God. Just managed to bought the chicken wire and the chain link to do the fencing. And I brought in a professional to do some work here, guys. You can see what he's doing. We plan to disinfect the place before we let the birds out, so that we ensure their safety. Any disease that might be here, because this compound has been exposed for a while, so we have to disinfect the compound using this BioSafe disinfect fluid. It destroys bacteria and fungi, penetrates the cracks. You can see, you can read for yourself. BioSafe disinfectant. This is actually what we are using on the ground to disinfect, or whoever is getting where the birds are must disinfect the foot or the shoe they are wearing. So we have a professional on the ground doing the spray. Colin, say hi and tell us what you are doing, guys.
Hi, I'm spraying disinfectant.
He's spraying the disinfectant, and this will help us to avoid, or at least if the birds might have many or any challenge. Actually, you don't want them. You just want them in safe, in good health, good condition, and they be safe from any disease that is. So Collins is disinfecting the whole compound actually, just for us to be sure our birds are safe. We are just the beginners, ndio tumeanza hii kazi. It has been a passion. It has been a passion for a while. So I just decided to bring in the birds. God willing, the birds will fill this compound. That's my prayer. Even 1,000 birds, I'll be a happy person. Yeah. So this is the fence. This is where we'll put the gates or the door, the entrance point. So this is where I started, guys. This is our cage. This is where I started. You can see them. They are in enclosed or enclosed environment. You can see them. That is their house. So this is where we started. We started like very many years back, but I wasn't serious. I was in town, but now I'm fully in up country life, guys. Country life. You must find something to keep you busy. So this will keep me busy, keep me going. I won't get bored. Busy taking care of the birds. And we have our mom here. Resting, chilling very early in the morning. You can see her. She's a grandma, she's not a grandma. You can see her. She's just sitting in her veranda. Thank you, guys. I will update you later. Once we finish with the disinfectant, we are done disinfecting the place. We let the birds out so they jump. How they love it. And see you in our next video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.
I think you